Outside. Still there. Still outside. Still out there at your door. Still outside.
Shit, I'm stuck on the bottom.
Clear up top.
Why wouldn't you just stay up there?
49.905.
Interesting fella.
Outside, outside. Still out there. Still there.
Yeah, they got some aggressive racers up in this run.
Clear, clear, clear.
I feel a wreck coming now. Okay, 3 wide in the turns. Oh shit, this is about to get ugly.
Outside, outside. 2 outside. 40.811. Still there. Clear all around.
Fuck. I was like, let me get off that bottom.
41.213. Working the bottom inside. Still there, door. Still there. Clear, clear. Inside, inside, inside. Still there. Clear. 41.208.
You gotta wait for the car to get centered now. It kind of sucks. It is sliding a little bit.
Good day, Nick.
41.139.
Thanks.
This thing's fast as shit.
Inside.
I've never seen someone so fast.
Still there.
Straight away.
Still inside. Still there.
Oh shit.
Still inside. .451. Still inside. Clear low. Outside. Still outside. Still there. Still out there. Still there.
Sorry, yeah, road lost.
41.485. Still out there. Clear.
Right, man, it's having the best of them.
Yeah, better drive
Outside.
than he does.
All clear, my man.
A little bit.
Yeah, it is a lot slicker out there now.
41.431. Forty-one point 382. Forty-one point 544. Forty-one point 655. Forty-one point
I'm back on track. I'm gonna stay left.
Forty-one point 926. Inside, you're gonna have to call it. 42.15. Still inside. Still there. Still there.
Oh,
Clear.
shit.
Good
Oh,
job. Inside.
damn.
Still there. Still there. Clear. Good job.
I would have had him, but when I got on the gas, I had nothing left.
Outside.
Shit. Wow.
Still there.
Oh, that was close.
Still there. 42.482. 20 laps to go right now. Clear.
Well, thanks for giving me the room.
Yeah, no problem.
42.664.
Razor, so.
Forty-two point 318.
I'm just trying to push it, Dylan. If you want me to back off, just tell me.
Be careful.
Thanks, Billy.
42.295.
Shit. This thing.
Forty-two point 607. Working the bottom. Still inside. Clear low. Inside. Clear low.
I was gonna say,
Outside.
dude, I know he's gonna smack
Clear,
the
clear,
shit out of
clear.
that wall. Oh, God. Don't know how you drove it in that deep.
Still outside.
I thought I was too.
43.3.
Now, your line was better than
Still
that.
outside.
He drove, I mean, this line was off.
Clear. Good job.
Where's that caution at? It normally comes out around this time.
Mine usually comes out lap 3 when I do this race. So we're way past that. I'm telling you, man, when you get faster competition, you see the difference.
42.883.